And welcome back into another backtesting session over 20 trades on gold. We finished the last session with 2 losses. We are now at 10 trades taken this week on Friday. We are up 1.39%. On the chart right now, we are exactly where we left yesterday, today, the previous video, because we are exactly at the price point that I missed. Here, that gave us, should have given me a nice profit to take up to 100 pips move to take advantage of the confidence and the factor that I had previously found the liquidity grab and the top of the key level from here. But anyway, we're going to move into the other the following day. Of course, we're going to start to see pre-London. I will be more cautious than previously on pre-London trades. So let's move to pre-London. There you go. There we are. Remember, we don't have the headlines ready, so this will be very difficult to trade. But I mean, it's not an excuse. Let's see how it goes. The point is, if I still keep missing the trades, doesn't really matter what I'm going to do with the headlines if I miss the trade. The bullish trend is still there, but as you can see, as you can spot, let me update it. Okay, as you can see, we're starting to see, as I told you, some more exhaustion at these highs after the very aggressive, impulsive moves from the days before. I wanted to show you the rules, the one that I am forgetting about. This time was really this one, not entering my trades and entering at the first possible sign of trend in a non-volatile period like pre-London. These were the losses that I took yesterday and the trade that I missed as well yesterday. In the previous day, of course. I managed to be much more aware of this timing, which is an improvement for me. As you can see, yesterday I was very aware of the candle opening and closing. We respected these 2 sessions. We didn't have any winning trade, but we are keeping an eye on it. No need for this, and that's it. These are the rules that I have in mind from the previous marathon. I'm adding the fact that I will be extra aware, extra careful before taking trades in this hour, unless I have stronger confirms, which I not doing it. So, as you can see, during Asian session, we saw a very strong rejection of the key level, exactly like we did the day before or 2 days ago. We saw very strong rejection, a pullback, and a rejection from this PSA. Let's see if this new hourly candle makes a lower wick and goes up, keeps being bullish, or we get another rejection here from the to the key level, or even from the possible previous highs. But so far we are in a very high time frame range. We're gonna start removing PSAs that are not relevant right now. As you can see, this one away. If we will need it, we will need it. There are too many PSAs that kind of confuse me in if price breaks below or price breaks above. need. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And yes, okay. The end line doesn't really matter on the 1 minute, so it's good to go. We know that we are in a range and we have our price points. Okay, very good. Of course, we want to see either the price continue ranging below bearish after the rejection of the key level, or either bullish above this previous PSA and safer buys either above the key level or at previous price sensitivity areas. Let's jump. Okay, 1 minute. We are in London. Everything is set and good to go. Okay. We already made a lower wick, and we need to see further confirmation of price continuing up. We are sort of creating a flat candle body support over here, and exactly over here. With a break below. Okay. Let's see if we revisit the key level. Slowly chugging away. Okay, very strong. Here, bearish, and then flipping bullish. Since we are still in a big range, we are not taking any entry. We want more confirmation of price trending bullish. As you can see, we reacted exactly here at these highs. Yes, we have this intermediate PSA that causes some reactions, like it does here, but still, let's see. We are, as you see, with a missed. I missed it because I just go. Okay, this one was London Open. You see, it's really fast to go into 1 hour after just going, just clicking. So yes, we have this double top, double bottom. This is London Open, makes a lower wick, and is immediately bullish. And then as we saw, we had the rejection here after 20-25 pips. A sort of ranging. Okay, retesting this previous PSA. We are in the middle of the first hour of London session. We have confirms of price trending, not yet, but we had a break and retest or a higher low being created. I want more confirms of price breaking above. Which we are not getting yet, probably now. Volume is coming in. Nice possible liquidity grab without leaving a nice body close. So you see this price sensitivity here causes some reactions. Okay. And we are still back at the key level. Not even, we are bouncing from there. Okay, we are already over time. So we're going to jump into New York with no trades taken during London session. As you can see, we are just in a big range. New York Open makes a top wick, keeps pushing. Sorry. Yeah. Here. Okay, now we have more impulsively bearish action, but we have to want price to break below the key level. We have 15 minutes, we made the top wick. Nice. Want price to break the key level to enter sells. This was top wick being created, already 30 pips, but I want the key level to have the certainty of price going down. We have a minor top wick. We have the confirms of price trending. We have this rejection. Is the first sign, so I'm not going to enter. I want a break and retest. Okay, this was at 30 pips, so would have been a winning trade that I didn't take. 15 pips. Should have I taken? Did I have enough confirms? Yes. In the inside, yes. This was New York top week. Strong closures below this PSA, this previous lows, below this PSA, and now closing and retesting the key level. Even at the candle close, we have the chance to fill this whole week. No, actually, this is not this is the first sign. It's not the first sign. We have this supply zone over there. We have this one rejection, this rejection. So yes, as per my setup, I should have taken it here with 30 pips of partials. That we know would have been around, let's see if we get it to 30 pips. Okay, we don't get it. So even in inside with the spread, we don't get it. So the actual trade setup that I took is not guaranteed a win. Okay, let's see if now we got to 30 pips. No, looks like we never got to 30 pips. Nope. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, now we got the 30 pips. So as you can see, in inside, we were guaranteed any win. We just needed to take the setup that I was pre-planning, and we had many confirms of it. So we take the partials here, 30 pips. We take a very, very difficult win. This is number 11. It's a win. Very good. Okay, so this is 60 pips. Let's see. Okay, if price keeps pushing. Okay, what I will do is to put the stop loss at the key level here. And of course, if we see that price reacts here at the 1795.4, which is the previous lower week, I will take the 45 pips of profits. Okay. Or if I start seeing some rejection over here. Okay. So now, as you can see, we are 70 pips up. As per rule, we put the stop loss over here and the TP to take advantage of possible price trending. Okay, very strong push. We leave this one over here. We put it at the next key level. Very good action. We got a nice trade. We keep here. We have 90 pips guaranteed. We have the stop, the TP that can be anywhere in the world. Of course, we're not going to have these 200 pips, but as you can see here, we get nice rejection. Even if we start seeing the price retracing, we can either take the 100 pips. Where is it? 100 pips over here. Let's see if we get stopped out. Nope. Okay, now we get stopped out, and this is a nice win. And we get another rejection at the key level. We are 5 minutes from the new hourly candle, so we're not taking any entry. Huge rejection, which might indicate liquidity grab for the new 4-hour double bottom. No entry at this time. Okay, the new 4-hour closes, and the previous hourly candle looks very, very nice. We took a nice part of it. As you can see, we took a very key level to below the next key level. And let's see now, the new 4-hour makes a lower wick to the key level and then flips bullish. Okay, lower wick created and then flips bullish. So let's see how this closes, if it's continuous. Might be a rejection. We have range. I will take it, 15 pips. We don't know if it's going to be a win. As you can see, this is only 14 pips, one candle. Okay, 20 pips. It looks like we're going good to go. Break even, closing partials, 80%. As always, let's see now the reaction at the key level. Let's don't forget to put the second win, which we really need. Oof, we really need these wins for my confidence. Number 12, win-win. And this is it. Let's see. Next candle. Looks like nice rejection. Okay. So, let's leave it like it is. Let's see the live action. Okay. We got stopped out. We got 1, 2, 3 rejections at the key level. We are 9 minutes from New York Stock Exchange open, so we are not going to take any entry. As you can see, we grab some liquidity at the key level. I was expecting price to continue to bounce from here, but as you can see, we got even the counter trend trade, and 30 pips was more than enough. And then we're going to see if New York Stock Exchange, that now we might close below, then the next 30 minutes candle makes a top wick, and we take advantage of the continuation sales. So I'm telling you right now, if this happens, the trade is mine. I don't care. Oh, looks like we are making a double bottom, but let's see now. New York SE open. Okay, we are now at the right below the key level at this previous price point. So it's very important to see the next New York Stock Exchange open where it will grab liquidity, making a lower wick, no top wick. Okay, did it make a top wick? This is the okay, this is the open. This is the top wick. Let's see if we get our setup. Nope. Unless we get a rejection. No. We close. Yeah, no entry setup yet. Okay. Wow. Melting. Let's see the reaction here. Sorry. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, we're coming toward the ends of the hour and the end of my session. Okay, for now, no entry. End of the hour. Rejecting it. Ooh, this is nice. The new hour making a lower wick. And then flipping bullish. This might be a counter trend trade, but we have 35 pips already on the upside. 15 pips would be really would only be what will be in the middle. I will not take the trade. There's no PSA. This is just in the middle. This was not cold, so that's why I will not get pissed off, even if we get 45 pips. Okay. I really hoped not to get them, but I would have got them 45, 50 pips with the break and retest of the key level. But it's fine. This was after my time, but this candle setup is being proven to be very, 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 very strong and reliable. So we have 12 trades. Let's see how much time passed. 20 minutes. Let's just do a quick video. So, and just do a quick recap of the 2 wins of today. We took advantage of this first sell below the key level after having the confirms of New York opening, making a top wick, showing strength, and we took advantage of it below the key level, and we got 30 and 100 pips. As you can see, if we left it running, it would have been like 180 pips in over 1 hour, or slightly more, 140 if we took a full advantage of at the key level. But we were sort of greedy, but we never know. 100 pips is more than enough for a runner. And we took advantage of the counter trend buys, as you can see. We took advantage of, where did we enter? Over here. Okay, this is Okay, because I went break even. So we took this candle setup that was this candle was flipping bearish, and then the last seconds fluidly went up. So the liquidity was grabbed. This was a key level. So this was a price point that was of interest, and it was the previous highs. So that's why we took the trade, and we got about 30 pips, 38 pips as partials, and then 20% at break even. This would have been a nice trade. I'm not pissed off at all because yes, with strong rejection. Yes, the hourly made the top wick, the lower wick. No, we were, yeah, the new hourly candle, but we were really close to the key level, so we would have, this would have been, could have been easily continued down in trend. So that's why I'm not absolutely pissed off of this entry, but I'm very happy and confident about this setup and seeing it more time every time. So this is it for today. We are closing with 2 trades, win-win, plus 11.9. So we got a nice 10% today. Save the simulation. The confidence is sort of restored, and we see you guys next time.